So we're back live again. What's good? What's good? We're back. So this is the track I was working on the day before yesterday, and I think I made a nice intro. Hold up. So this part can be the intro. Now we have to figure out the pre-chorus and the chorus thingy. Anybody in the world tells you like Ableton never crash, this is a what? This is a crash report. This shit is a crash report. Ableton also crashes. This is a statement. Enough of playing. So let's play something. So how can we start the pre-chorus section? Like, how about I need this part? Not like this. Okay, I have an idea. How about we place this in the master, guys? We need to automate this thing. So here it is on and we want off. This is not I want. Let's group the instruments without the bass. This one, and this one. These are the instrument section. So I need the ambience open as it is. We will take a piece of like this here. Yeah. How about we call the hi-hat? So in that case we need this much. We need this thing here as well, I guess. Hi-hat is pretty fucking low. Why? Oh, because this is not enough frequency. Is this making any difference? Here. Yo, why you are not here? Oh shit. Okay, so here are the kicks, right? So we can call everything except the kick.
Sure, I got you.
Paste in here. Why? Is this because of this one? To copy. So I think we need an 808 over here. Faster, or maybe more fast. Consolidate it and then fade it. I'm not actually happy with all the arrangement thingy over here. Here as well. I don't need this part, I guess, from here. Like this is So I should try to delete this one. This is the arrangement I was looking for, I guess. This is so perfect right now. I mean, this is cool. To play with some of the width thingy, like the stereo imaging thing, so I might reduce it slowly to 80 over time. We got a hit. This is good how it is right now.